Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
My trailer.
I parked it over your sponsor's tent.
What?
You gotta make your personal appearance.
No.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
The one who did it! I just felt so horrible! I should have told you right away! Ah!
It goes through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Sorry, Lay. I was sure I was doing the right thing. I thought I was being a hero.
What a relief! I'm going to be on time for the movie!
Feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get it up!
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jamming now, man.
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were out here because your GPS was...
What's taking this guy so long? Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
With all in all, just to make alternative fuel look bad.
What if? You're basing this on a what if?
Hey, thanks for coming, but we're all set. He's letting me go.
He's letting you go?
Yeah, your job's pretty easy.
I need you to watch the prisoner tonight. Well, daggone. Wait a minute. What if he tries to run again?
Security, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
Thanks, guys!
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
Good jigger! Good jigger! Good jigger!
I've been kind of lonely.
Because I never trusted Axelrod. You're dead wrong, man. It was him.
Eat your heart out.
Hello, Faith! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go! Man!
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra?
Don't worry, Mama! The queen is very sad. I will be...
Todos, gracias. Niñito, el primero en California se queda con Tainoco, todo para él.
Ah, no, ¿cómo crees?
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man!
Yes, I
do! Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Let's go! Machine Dragon Fireball!
we start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy clap.
Positively no idling. Are we clear?
Yes, right. No idling. Yes, sir.
Mater?
Hey!